Welcome back to Mocky tutorial video series. In the last video, I have shown you how to familiarize yourself with the Mocky app in minutes. And in this time, we would like to show you how to manage your multiple designs in a project and how to share them with your members or stakeholders for both Jira and Confluence version. Let's go. From the left side menu, you can locate the visual listing feature. Click on it and you will be taken to the managing page. The first thing you see is the read view. It will provide you with a complete overview of your designs. That includes all the pages you made in the project. Not only that, while in this read view, you can select one or multiple pages, duplicate the selected page, or create a sibling page. You can also create a child page, delete pages, or set the status of the workflow for multiple pages. Next is the map view. In this view mode, you can arrange and monitor how one design is related to the others in the same project. While in the map, you can have actions similar to the read view. Plus, you can also zoom in and out of the map for a better view, and drag and drop selected pages or folders into another folder. And finally is the workflow view. It is similar to workflow management, and just like in Jira issues, this mode allows you to view your project designs as tasks in different statuses, such as to do, in progress, completed, or approved. So you and your team members can easily work their way in each design of the project and monitor the progress of each task. Okay, let's move on to sharing your project. As you have guessed, Mocky also allows you to share your project designs via Jira issues or Confluence pages, depending on which platform you are working on. So here's how you do it. For the Jira version, you can go to the Jira ticket of your project to which you want to add your design. Then you can go to that ticket's detail and click on the three dot symbol for more action. You will see there is an option to add the Mocky app. After that, you can simply choose to open the recent design and click publish. And that's it. Now, you can click go back to Jira and your chosen design has been added to the issue ticket. If you are using the Confluence version, go to the Confluence page you want to add your Mocky designs and choose Edit. There are two ways to insert the design into Confluence. You can locate the Insert tab on the header, then search for the Mocky app. Or you can use the Confluence macro like this. Now, you can simply repeat the step similar to how you add Mocky to the Jira issue. When you are done, simply click to publish or update, and your Mocky design is now inserted into the Confluence page. And that's pretty much it for our basic tutorial videos. Stay tuned with us for more because we will be making more videos to guide you through all of the Mocky features and Mocky use cases. If you find this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos in the future.